So guys, let me know your view about this room.
Najua huku ni Tahoe, so your phone can get snatched. I know last time I was filming and someone tried to snatch it from me. Then that is the case, I'm just trying to get the vibe. So I'm not tense, I'm not worried. I'm just in the middle of the streets. So we get along, we go. Really need to get you some good shots, but Nairobi is super busy. Yes, Nairobi is super busy. I hope you can see the background, so amazing. So just trying to still and film what's going on live in the streets. Yes, that is the crazy insane thing about this Nairobi streets. It's super busy. At least you have seen the vibe, you have enjoyed the scenarios, the shot. It's super amazing, super crazy to walk like there, Such a so you can see there is the gate. Alafu hapa hivi, this is Mulango. These rooms, they look tiny, a little bit tiny, Yeah, they look a little bit tiny, but they are good. This is a 2-bedroom house here in Githurai 44, you see. Yes, let me take you. So this is the one room where it can be treated as the sitting room. Then this, you come to the other room. This is the first bedroom. Yes, a first bedroom here. See the socket is there, the bulb, you fix it there. Then this is the first room of the 2-bedroom house in Githurai 44. So you see, yes. Let me take you to another tour in this other place. This is the kitchen. Yes, there is a kitchen here. Yeah, you see there are like some local shelves. You can array your stuff there. So this is a kitchen. It's a little bit tiny, but it's manageable. Then you come here, you get the toilet and bathroom thing. Yeah, so nice, perfectly good. A little bit dirty, Then this is the other room. Yes, another room is here. You see, the lighting is not bad. Then you can enjoy some things here. Yes, so this is a 2-bedroom house in Githurai 44, guys. Yes. Yeah, so that is the first room, the kitchen, yes, the bedroom, and the other bedroom. So one bedroom is here, then you pass here the toilet, the kitchen, the other bed, the other side. Then this is the first room, and that is it. You need your initiative in this when deciding which kind of room you're gonna do. Like you have seen the video about that room. It looks single, it looks like a little bit smaller, but it's okay for a perfect, perfect start. Yeah, that is a 2-bedroom house. Yeah, and it goes for 9,000 only. This is Kahawa, not Kahawa. This is Githurai 44. It's along almost Kahawa West. So it's good for 9,000 only. Yeah, deposit allowed. So that is it, and help me review, get to know the kind of room, the size. Yes, you're gonna link up. Tell me your review. Now that I have it with you, when you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made yours. Didn't know what my heart needed. Yeah, you're talking 5 shillings. Guys, we have just arrived in Githurai, Nairobi. So these are the streets of the real Githurai. Let's walk a bit. Yes, just walk a bit. It's a busy street. Nairobi is a busy town. Busy street, you can't be there idle or doing nothing. You must be moving. Yeah, it's a crazy, insanely thing in this world. Yeah, this is the busiest city in the world. You see, like even on my rear background, it's just movement here, movement all the day, all the time. Yeah, and until like some kind of thought. So this is the thing we're gonna link next time in this video. I show you some
places about random things, random street walk, and such an amazing vibe. So we're gonna link in the next vlog, and keep vibing, keep subscribing, share your opinion about this video, yeah, about which kind of city you believe it's super busy compared to this hours, Nairobi of ours, and that's gonna be the amazing vibe. Link in the comment, let's subscribe and vibe.